and Twitter and TikTok. Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today, we have a banger daily market news analysis. Without any further ado, let's bring the action. He says, are you going to be trading live? Not today. We're going to be going over the markets, though, over the news, the analysis, and all of that. All right, so let's get into the charts. Let's get some music going up in here. That classic lo-fi. Or no, not the lo-fi. Not the lo-fi. We want that EDM. Price prediction for Bitcoin, XRP, and XLM, XTC. Yep, we're going to get into all of those. The theme of the video is going to be XRP. All right, let's move over to the charts. She says, let's go, brother. Brethren. What up? You want it? Yeah, gonna get it. All right, taking a look at the charts today. Happy Monday, everyone. If you joined the Discord and watched the fight live with me, I had a great time. It was a blast. Mistakes were made, lessons were learned, but overall the night was a success. Next time it will be better. I did not know that Discord caps it out at 100. So we're going to fix that for next time. So you don't read the comments? I do. I literally am reading the comments right now. Alright. Right now, taking a look at the DXY. We said all of last week we were looking like we were about to get a breakdown. Are you trading live? No, I answered your question. I'm looking at the charts. So it looks like the DXY got a clean rejection off of the 55 moving average. If you don't know what the DXY is, the DXY measures the strength of the US dollar in comparison to the other currencies. In short, this thing trades the opposite of cryptocurrency and the stock market. But the interesting thing that we're noting and we're seeing right now is the NASDAQ looks like it wants to break down, the S&P breaking down, Bitcoin seemingly wanting to break down, and the DXY all at the same time looking like breakdowns. One of them is lying because they don't all go together. Bitcoin, NASDAQ, S&P typically trade together. The DXY is the opposite of those things. Jake Bull says, hello, what up? So one of them is lying. If I had to guess, I would guess that the DXY is telling the truth. Bitcoin, the NASDAQ, and the S&P are all lying. So we will see. We will see. XRP, though. Big breakout that we had. I thought that we were going to get support at the 236. It does not look like we're going to get support. I'm gonna lay out 3 scenarios for you for XRP, but this looks to be a breakdown on XRP. So scenario number 1 is XRP likes to toy around. It likes to have some Barry Sanders, some Allen Iverson like crossovers, and that's what it could be before testing the 382 up at about 83 cents yet again. So that's scenario number 1. I'm doubtful of that. Let me look at the RSI. Oh man, my RSI is all messed up. I'm doubtful of that. However, that is a possibility. Possibility number 2 is we are going to find support here at the 55 moving average, which would be about 59 cents for XRP. In my opinion, that would be a great buying price. Not financial advice, of course. Never that. None of this is financial advice. And scenario number 3 is we're going to go all the way back down, back testing the prior structure, and for that you'd be looking at about 53 cents. Anything under 60 cents, in my opinion, for XRP is a steal. This is just my medium term sentiment for XRP. Long term, or even not even medium, this is just my short term sentiment for XRP. Long term XRP, medium term XRP, I'm still extremely bullish, and I still think that there's one more leg like this, but more like this leg right here to the upside. XRP with the Allen Iverson crossover, that's right. All right, let's get into the news. Right now, we're about at the market open, and the crypto market today is just sort of a mixed bag. Some things are up, some things are down. Pulse, the biggest loser, and Hex behind that. XTC down 4.7%. On the total market cap, we're sitting at about $1.16 trillion. 1 trillion is a huge level of support. 1.25 is a big level of resistance. So we're kind of right in the middle of that. Ethereum community baffled by mysterious 4.5 million Ethereum burn. So basically, someone sent $4.5 million worth of Ethereum to a burn address where it will be burned forever. No one knows why this happened. Here is a physical representation of all of you right now. If you're here right now, you are the future 1%. Went through all of the bear market, all of the FUD, all of the wife's boyfriends, all of that, and they'll say that you were lucky. Look how lucky he is. It must be nice. It must be nice. Wear it as a badge of honor, my friends, because you guys are the future 1%. Make no mistake about that. In other news, PayPal launches a stablecoin for payments and transfers. So they want to get in on the stablecoin action. Pretty insane. And here's the article for that. Presidential candidate Vivek, I don't know how to say his name, says he will fire 90% of the Federal Reserve. Let's take a listen on this.
So, Larry, I think that we don't need 23,000 employees in the U.S. Federal Reserve to do that. Under my watch, I think we could have a 90% headcount reduction in that system, put the Fed back in its place, stabilize the dollar. That's what I say. Well, so, Larry, I think that...
So there you go. And in other news, it appears that the Musk versus Zuckerberg fight is officially on. I'm not sure when the date is on, but Musk says it will be streamed on X. If this happens, I will be live streaming this as well. And we have Mark Zuckerberg's, we have Elon Musk's famous move. The best move is the walrus. So there you go. Offray.com, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Did you get into Zuck or Musk? I think it's on the 26th of this month. Is it the 26th of this month? I'll stream this just like I streamed the fight. If you watch the fight with me on the Discord, I had a great time. It was overall a great success. If you don't know, I live streamed the Jake Paul versus Nate Diaz fight for free. There was some mistakes made. I learned some lessons. I did not know that Discord caps at 100. So by the end of the night, we had over 11 people on my Discord streaming my stream. It was like stream inception, layers on layers on layers of streams. but we figured it out. But moving forward, we won't have that issue next time. So, thanks for everybody who stuck around and helped me work through the kinks and all that. Overall, I think it was a great success and a great night. George says, do you know where I can buy AR? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Looks like you can buy it on Binance, KuCoin, BitBuy, OKX, Mexi. Ski! AR is also on Uphold. Young Skeezy. What up, what up, what up? It's your boys. Alright, and with that, how's the music, you guys? Is it too loud? Am I blasting your guys' ears? Good to see you. What up, Scotty? And with that, we'll get into your guys' coins. So go ahead, drop your coins down below. Perfect for the music. All right, cool. Drop your coins down below. We'll get into your guys' price predictions and all of that. What up, dog? Another day in the Matrix. Happy Monday, everyone. Hope everyone has a great, fantastic week. John, thank you for the confetti, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Good Morgan Freeman. What up? Caspa. Radiant Substance says, hey, Ski. What up? Oh, we changed the logo. What do you guys think of that? Picked up a bunch of LCX for the low. LCX and XRA going to be big. Going to be extra breedable and submissive. Yeah, I agree. All right, let's write some of these down before I get lost in the sauce here. XYO. Rio. Caspa. Hello. Oh, okay. Jacob Bull was telling me to look at the coin hello, not hello, actually. Alright, let's look at XYO. Jasmine. You the man. API 3, I appreciate that, brother. Alright, XYO. API 3 has been going nuts. Looking extra breedable and submit. All right, XYO is testing. Looks like they're about to be testing the 200 moving average here. Top of the range, you're looking at 0.004 cents for XYO. Automatic rally is 1 cent. Retracement 4 cents. Parabolic level for XYO is 20 cents. Rio. Just thank you, good sir. Rio's looking good. Pretty good. Nice uptrend well, no, really good actually. Yellow on top of the blue, on top of green, on top of purple. This is the most bullish posture that you could be in. What you would like to see is us to get body closes above 28 cents for Rio, and that would be a change, a reversal in structure, because right now we have just sort of a like a pennant forming here. Yeah, getting pretty bunched up. I mean, so your measure move, you'd be looking at conservatively, you'd be looking at 43 cents, which would get you to the automatic rally. Retracement is $1.36. Parabolic level for Rio, $7 hairs. Can you look at Tara? I got you, bro. All right, moving along. Caspa, the friendly ghost. Z Capital says, "Hey, Savage, bro. Did you do XRP? I did, but we'll look at it again." Caspa is like, it's going parabolic right now. Like, confirmed at a minimum, we're going to go to the 1618 at 6 cents, excuse me. 6 cents. Could go as high as 13 cents. Could Caspa be the actual winner of the mining war? I've said all along, somebody is going to win the mining war. Is it going to be Caspa? Let's see. Like, what's the profitability at right now for Caspa? Because the biggest whales in the market have always been and will likely always be the miners. So all that hash power has to go somewhere. One of these coins, one of these mineable coins, one of these mineable coins are going to be the winner. And so for me, for my 3070 Ti rig, which is how I measure it because it's one of my more efficient rigs, Caspa is at 46 cents negative still. Where's Ergo? Ergo is still the most profitable. No. Yeah. Ergo actually looks like it's about to be profitable. Let me look at Ergo real quick. DYP. Ski, can you look at Jam? Myra, I'm on the fence with them. I got you. DY. Oops, I wrote that twice. Let me just look at Ergo real quick. Have you done Jasmine? I haven't. It's on the list. Otto says miners are going with DYNEX and NEXA. Well, it seems like they're spread out. Interesting that like Ergo is the most profitable right now, but the price isn't really reflecting that. That's interesting. All right, we'll get back to your guys' coins. I was just curious about something. So we're on Hello, Jasmine, API 3, Terra, Jam, DYP, and Myra. Yeah, Hello already went parabolic. Like all the way to the 3618 almost perfectly. Even touched to the 423. Came all the way back down. Hanging out on the 236 here. The next level, the retracement would be 5.6 cents for Hello. And then parabolic would be 18 cents. Now, this thing hasn't had a proper bull run. In fact, actually, it would be 24 cents. This thing hasn't had a proper bull run, so it could go a lot higher. But as you can see, even with not having a proper bull run, like nothing just goes up in a straight line. We came all the way up to the 3618, got rejected, came back down. So that's probably where it's going to go again. The 3618 would be at 24 cents. That would be your medium upside target for Hello. That could take months to play out. Jasmine. All right, Jasmine. Just hanging out at the 43 on the RSI, which is good. You want to be above 40 to be bullish. That's one indicator. Like you want to have support at the 40. All the moving averages are getting coiled up here. We'd like to see a cross, yellow crossing the blue. And we're probably going to test in the medium term that 200 moving average right here, this purple at 0.005 cents or half of 1 penny. For Jasmine, automatic rally is 2 cents. Retracement is 9 cents. Parabolic level 49 cents. All right, API 3. They said API 3 has been running. API 3 has been going crazy is what the chat said. Algo. Damn. Sure is. Testing the automatic rally. Poked right above the 200 moving average here. We're almost right at the automatic rally at $1.57. So hopefully you were accumulating all through this. This is why I always preach dollar cost average, dollar cost average, dollar cost average. Because even if you were bad at it, and just got this range right here, you know, you're up 50%. You love to see it. Automatic rally is a place that could get rejected. 236 would be the next level at $2.96. Retracement is 528. Parabolic level $24 hairs. Tara. Damn. Big breakout. Like Lamborghini Mercy candle right here. Nice. So we're past the automatic rally. It looks like we're probably going to go at least to the 236 here. We're even past the previous 200. So we're probably going to at least go to the 236 at 1.25 cents. That would be a good place to, I mean, right now, honestly. If you've been accumulating this whole time, not even at the bottom, but just this whole range, at 500 days, it gave you a chance to get this price and have a 5x right now. If you're up 5x on this, like, just take one of your x's out and let 4 run. Not financial advice. Parabolic level, 12 cents. Let me fix my camera. Whoops. All right. Did you just say 24 for API 3? That's the maximum parabolic level. Yep. XRP. Maximum parabolic doesn't mean that's where it's going to go. That means that's the most likely highest possibility. That's not like ridiculous. Make sure you guys are spamming that like button, hitting that share. Fam, what's your take on CGBT crypto? I am agnostic on that coin. I don't have any thoughts, but I can look at the charts if you like. All right, so XRP, this appears to be a breakdown, which is common. Okay, nothing can just go up in a straight line for forever. I thought we were going to find resistance at the 236. It looks like we're breaking below the 236. The next level is going to be 59 cents. And if we break through the 55 moving average for XRP, you're looking at 53 cents, which would be completely normal. And even at 53 cents for XRP, I would still be absolutely bullish in the medium term. In the medium to long term, XRP looks crazy. Like, it looks like it's about to go absolutely bazonkers. But nothing just goes up in a straight line forever. So, that being said, back test of prior resistance. So this is actually this is a good thing that we're getting this over with now, because you don't you see this clear resistance right here. When something is resistance, at some point in time it needs to come back to test it as support, and that appears like that's what we're doing. So this is a healthy move to do. If we were to just come all the way straight up, let's say we broke out right here and we just went straight up to the 1618, which is more painful? Back testing all the way back down here to 52 cents from $3, or back testing from 83 cents? So I think it's a healthy move in the market. Medium term, I'm still very bullish on XRP. We'll see where this thing lands, though. SLP, what up, Savage? What up?
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
So there you go. That's XRP update. Anything under 60 cents, in my opinion, is a very, very good deal. Extreme sale. What do you think of OP? I like OP. All of the layer 2s are, well, Layer 2s are going to be very important because, like, the sneaky thing about Ethereum, and people started to figure this out with the meme wave, but there was this notion when Pepe was going crazy, people started to figure this out. But I was saying this all along. There was this notion that the merge from Ethereum, from proof of work to proof of stake, was going to fix the god-awful gas fees in Ethereum. This, however, is not true. Nothing about the merge has anything to do with the scalability. 0% has to do with the scalability. The scalability on Ethereum is still trash, and it will forever be trash. It is like slightly better than Bitcoin as far as its scalability, but not by much. So that being said, the importance of layer 2 such as Optimism, such as Matic, such as Arbitrum, all these are going to be very important. The sneaky thing is the Ethereum gas fees will always be disgusting. They are not going they're not going away. And people started to figure that out when Pepe and Bob and all this stuff went crazy. People were paying like $100 for a transaction. Like, that's not going away. Ethereum is trash as far as scalability. And Ethereum's in my top 5. You know? But, you know, I'm not emotional about my opinions. I'm not like joining a cult. I'm not a Bitcoin Maxi, an XRP army. I'm not a Hexagon, a H Barbarian, none of that. I joined 0 cults. I just care about financial freedom. Hoppy, thanks, brother. I got you, bro. Avoid joining cults in crypto. It's not a good thing. GRT, sir. Please. I got you. Please. How high will ETH go this time? I have a price target on the low end of 7,000. I think 7,200 for like 2025 parabolic levels. 7,200, and on the high end 15,000. All right, let's continue with the price. But yeah, those gas fees are not going away though. Wish I could get some hello. Hello. All right, Jam DYP. This thing's been rushed. 97%. It looks like we have a pretty good base of support here, though. You would want this to hold. I'm going to put this little line in the sand here. That needs to hold. At 0.0053, that needs to hold. The moving averages on Jam are getting coiled up here, and we're poking above it, testing the 55. It looks like the yellow is crossing or about to cross the blue, so that would be good. You would like to see this yellow get on top of the blue and the green, and if that were to happen, you'd be looking to test the 200 at 0.001, which would change the structure of the chart, putting you in a reversal, which would be really good. That would also be the automatic rally. Retracement would be 0.007. And parabolic, you're looking at 3 cents. Morning, dude. Do MKR, please. I got you. Good morning. Good morning. Good Morgan Freeman. DYP and then Myra. This thing's just hanging out here. Retracement 179. Parabolic $9.29 for DYP. Myra. All right, so of the two, I think Jam probably, I don't know, actually. All right, so here's the hard line in the sand. 0011. That needs to hold. So we came to the automatic rally already. That's good. Back testing the 21 moving average at 0013. You'd like to see that hold. That would be great. We're getting across to the downside. It'd be okay to just kind of hang out right here. So we were in the bullish posture, but we couldn't quite get above. This is what you would like to see. Getting above 002 cents would be a change in structure, and that would give you like a reverse kind of head and shoulders here, which is I mean, head and shoulders is like the pattern that everybody knows, so it gets invalidated the most because of that, but that would be bullish in theory. Again, it's the pattern that gets invalidated the most because everyone knows it. But still. Retracement 0048 and parabolic level is 2 cents. All right, Algo. Yeah, Algo, Hex, you know, get buckled in. Like, I believe in Algo long term, but like, just, we saw how long it takes with the SEC. Like, their plan is not to get this stuff over swiftly. Like, that is not a part of their strategy. So I believe in Algo long term. I would say it's probably going to only retrace in 2025, but long term, I still think that the targets are there, but I don't know that they're going to be done with their case before the next bull run. But we'll see. It seems like we have a pretty nice base right here, though. Automatic rally, you're looking at 36 cents for Algo. Retracement is $1.33. Max retracement is $1.86. In my opinion, I would give it 75% chance this is as high as we go in the next bull run for Algo. Big picture, though, I still have a price target for $8.88. But you could, depending on how the SEC case goes, like, it could take a while to play out. Radiant Substances, thank you. No problemo. ADA, same thing for ADA. I would give it a 75% chance of only retracing. Automatic rally, 43 cents. Retracement is $1.42. Max retracement is $1.90. We still bullish on Polygon. Yeah, I'm still bullish on Polygon. All of my stuff is big picture though. Just because I'm bullish on something like we saw with XRP. Like XRP is my biggest bag. I think it's the winner. But just because like it's the winner or the technology is amazing or you know all the partnerships doesn't mean that the price is going to go crazy. And just because like that, a perfect example would be like Dogecoin and Shiba or you know Pepe. Like these aren't amazing coins, but they went parabolic. Like eventually all that's going to get washed out. But price doesn't necessarily reflect the project. And we saw that with XRP. XRP, the last bull run, did not make a new all-time high. So we'll see. But that's why I always lay out the retracement levels. And the retracement for ADA is 142. The max retracement is $1.89. And what that means is basically like this is where it's going to go if it doesn't go parabolic. If it goes parabolic, it'll be $8.88. You think Gala gets above $1? I do. Can you explain retracement? I got you. All right. Here we go. All right, I have a ball. And you could call this ball XRP. You could call it Bitcoin. Call it whatever you like. I have a ball. The ball is at the top of the mountain. The ball is on a cliff. Okay? And I don't know the force that's going to be exerted behind this ball necessarily. Is someone taking the ball and are they throwing it or are they just dropping it? I don't know. Okay? I don't know that answer. And what is the ball made out of? Is it made out of rubber? Is it a baseball? Like what's the material? Is it string? I don't know. Is it a bouncy ball? I don't know. But if all right, so let's just pull a Fibonacci on this. So this is the top right here. Okay. Let's say I just dropped this ball. It wasn't thrown. It was just dropped. Okay. It wasn't thrown. It was just dropped. A retracement would be the ball was dropped from the top. I didn't throw it. I just dropped it. Comes to the bottom and comes up about 50 to 70%. Depending on the material. Is it made out of baseball? Is it made out of rubber? I don't know. But this is pretty much textbook retracement. This happens in the stock market. This happens like even if something is dead, it's going to have a dead cat bounce. But if the force behind this ball was say thrown and you break past the 702, then you start to get parabolic. That's what that is. And I could show you examples of this too. So let's just go on the weekly chart here for Bitcoin. All right, so look. And typically the retracement, if it goes parabolic, typically the retracement is first. Not always, but typically in a mature asset, the retracement is first. So look, Bitcoin did this. Here's the top. Here's the top of the mountain. The ball was dropped, came down, touched the bottom, and bounced 76. Well, this in this particular case, 6.18. So that is the one right in between 50 and 70%. Came up, hit the 618 perfectly. As you can see right there. Before it came back down and then went on to the next bull run. Whoops. All right, let me erase all that because I don't want that cluttering up. I'll give you another example. Look, I explained this in another live stream. All right, so that was 2017, followed by the 2018 bear market, followed by the 2019 retracement, followed by the COVID, whoops, I don't know if I could say that or not, C19 crash, followed by the bull run. All right. So right here is the 2013 bull run, followed by the 2014 bear market, followed by the 2015 retracement. Same thing. Got your ball, comes down to the bottom, bounces to the 618 yet again, comes back to the 382 before going to the next bull run. This type of move happens over and over and over and over and over again. Not just in Bitcoin either. It happens in the stock market. It happens in the S&P 500. It happens in, let's look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is more common to the 0.5. Because it's a mature asset. This type of move happens over and over and over and over again. Well, Crypto Adopter says, thanks for the alpha retracement. No one talks about it ever. Is a retracement 618? There's different levels for different coins. Like, there are different coins that respect different levels. Bitcoin really respects the 3618 for parabolic. Oops. This was my class on Wyckoff. I have a class on Wyckoff on my Patreon. So if you guys want to learn how to do that, you can check out my Patreon if you want to learn how to do all this. I have a full course on there for the price of a cup of coffee. But I'll give you guys a little bit of a sample here. But yeah, Bitcoin really respects the 3618 for parabolic, and it really respects the 618 for retracement. It really respects both of those, but different coins respect different prices. So you just got to look at the history of it and see where it likes to go. So like Bitcoin on multiple occasions has hit the 3618. So from the 2017 bull run top to the 2021 bull run top, you can see the 3618. That's where it hit. And this has happened multiple times for Bitcoin. Multiple times. Multiple bull run to bull run tops, you hit the 3618. Multiple times. And multiple bull runs, it hit the 618. So for me, Bitcoin really respects these levels. Most content creators act like everything is going to go to an all-time high. That's facts. I say it all the time. 90% of cryptocurrencies will not make new all-time highs, which is why I always say the retracement levels. Because a retracement level is a good place to take profit. Because even if it does break through, most likely as you can see with Bitcoin, like it broke through the retracement, but most likely it's going to get rejected before then going through. So either way, it's a good place to take profit just to be safe. And the 0.5 is the more conservative one, and you'll see like more mature assets will do that on a like the stock market, the S&P, the Dow Jones, all that stuff. It respects the 0.5. The more mature an asset is, the less the retracements and the less the parabolics are. All right, there you go. That is a sort of sneak peek on what my Patreon looks like. So if you guys aren't members over there, you can learn all this stuff. I have lessons on Wyckoff. I have Wyckoff accumulation, Wyckoff distribution. I have lessons on Fibonacci's, how to trade with Fibonacci's. I have lessons on Elliott waves, all that stuff. And more is on my Patreon. So if you guys want to support me and learn how to measure the market, this is just a little sample of what's over there on my Patreon. All right, let's continue. So for the price of a cup of coffee, you can learn how to do everything that I know how to do. What the fuck is this coin? Bro, do Shiba Inu. Got you. Happy GRT. Did you change the times you go live? I go live for the market open at like 8:15 every day. 8:15 Central Time. I believe that's 9:15 Eastern. Do you hold Hello token? I don't. I do not. Bro, if all your predictions come true, I'm never working again. LMAO. That's the goal, financial freedom. Here's the thing. Here's some advice on that. It's better to be $1 short and a day early than it is to wait for the day that never comes. So if you start having life-changing profit, take it. And I'm giving you guys a fair warning right now. Right now. I'm telling you guys right now. Just as scary and as toxic this was right here at 15K, just as scary as that was to buy that, and as toxic as everyone's wife's boyfriend was saying it's going to 10K or 12K. Dr. Crypto says, Ski, you got a course? I do, on my Patreon. Link in bio. For the price of a cup of coffee, you can learn everything that I know. I have all kinds of lessons on there. And I upload weekly. Just as scary as this was right here, is just as greedy as things will be up here. Just like everybody and their wife's boyfriend was saying that things were going to 12K or 15K or 10 or 12K. Right here, everyone was saying it's going to 100K. And I promise you, when we start getting towards the top, you're going to start hearing things like, it's bigger than the price, bro. We're part of a movement. That is your cue to get out. When people start wanting you to join their cult and be a part of a movement, Like, no, it's over. It's done. It is over with. When you start hearing being a part of a movement, that is like people trying to get you to join their cult. Bitcoin Maxi, XRP Army, Hexakin, H Barbarian, Lunatic, whatever. It doesn't matter. Don't join any cults. Understand that what must go up, or what goes up, must come down. What comes down must come up. That's it. Joe says, no cults. I only believe in Shiba Inu. Jay says, morning, Ski. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Freeman. So that is my fair warning to you. When people start trying to get you to join their cult, it's the end of the line, brother. It is the end of the road. You'll see it. You pay attention, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Every single time. That's right. It says you can't get attached to projects. That's right. Like, it's not like you created it. Like, you didn't develop it. You weren't the one writing all the code. So, like, don't be emotional about it. Don't be emotional. Be a contrarian. Here are some really good indicators for just average Joe, people who aren't obsessed with charts like me. Here's some good indicators for you. Woke Crypto Adopter says, Ski, you need to do a promo video explaining retracement. You have great content. Thank you. I appreciate that. Here's an indicator that the average Joe can wrap their brain around. Okay? If you pull out your iPhone or your phone, whatever, and you go to the App Store, and you go to the top apps in order. When Coinbase is top 5 or top 10, that means that regular people, it is popular for regular people to buy crypto. And when it is popular for regular people to buy crypto, that means you need to get out. Because regular people consistently, without fail, buy the top and sell the bottom. This is like not just in crypto. This is the stock market too. Over the last 100 years, retail investors have consistently bought the top and sold the bottom. So right now, Coinbase is not even in the top 200. So we still have a ways to go. It's not even in the top 200. But when that thing is top 10, like, all right, bro, it's been nice knowing y'all. I've told this story before. I'll tell it again. I sold like 85% of my crypto back here. I sold 85% of my crypto on this way down right here. And I had sold a bunch. I had sold some here. I had sold some here. I had sold some here. But pretty much I got out completely right around this moment right here. In the 50,000 range. And the reason that I did that, like, I had already taken a lot of profit, but like I was like, okay, yep, it's done. my real life indicator outside of the charts was I went into a gas station once. This is back in 2021. I went into a gas station, and this was the first time in my real life that I saw a Bitcoin ATM. So, and this is the first time that my online life met my real life in person. And so I was outwardly excited. I was like, oh my God, this is crazy. I can't believe it. Wow, this is a Bitcoin. Like, I'm just like talking out loud like a crazy person in the middle of the gas station. And this guy, you know, I'm not trying to be funny, but he didn't speak English, wasn't his first language, and he was buying a Colt 45 and a Black and Mild. It's each their own, you know. I like Black and Milds, but this is what he told me. He said, "Bitcoin is finished. Shiba." And he told me that, and I was like, oh. Some guy at the gas station just gave me crypto advice. It's been fun. It's been real. So that was my real life indicator. And I went home and I sold most of my crypto. Did I catch the absolute top? No, I didn't. But I got most of it. I dollar cost average out of the market. All right, we're going to do a couple more. And then I got to get out of here. GRT, MKR, Fiat, Shiba. Hello looks pretty good, if I remember correctly. GRT. If you ever have life-changing profit, or if you've ever doubled your money, Isaiah, take a little bit of profit. If at any point you double your money, take 5 or 10%. Ski, you sold out of your position at that level. Would you never buy back in? No, I bought back in pretty much all the way down. Well, not all the way down. I started buying back in crypto. Let me do this coin and I'll show you. Retracement for GRT is 134. Parabolic level is $6.89. So I started buying back into crypto after we got to 30K is when I started accumulating heavily again. And then the Luna crash is I started really making videos, and I even thought that it could possibly be the bottom. I knew that that was an event, and for most of crypto it was the bottom. For Ethereum, XRP, Quant, Polygon, a lot of the main projects, the Luna collapse was actually the bottom. Bitcoin bottom on the FTX collapse. But all of this I accumulated heavily. Heavily I accumulated. Alright. MKR, Fiat, Shiba. And then I gotta go. Oh, MKR looking good. MKR looking real good, actually. So we're pretty much right at the automatic rally. Had a cross, yellow on top of blue on top of green. Really bullish. RSI at 77. That's high, but it's not like astronomically. Well, we're on the weekly though. Okay. So on the daily, getting rejected. probably going to backtest the 21 moving average at 1170. Had to cross the downside. Hopefully we find support here at 58, and that would still be an uptrend. If we break below 58 on the RSI, that would be a reversal. So we'll see. It looks like we're getting a little rejection at the automatic rally, which is common. Retracement for MKR is 3,200. Parabolic level is 14,000. What coin did you hold after the bull market? I still held like all of my. I didn't sell everything. I didn't sell everything of anything. I held like 20, 25, or 15 to 25% of my stuff. But most of the bear market, I was accumulating quant, Ethereum, Bitcoin, XRP, and HBAR. I was accumulating that all bear market. HBAR is the only one that I'm in the red on as far as accumulation goes. Everything else is way up, way up. Fiat. Automatic rally is 36 cents for Fiat. Retracement 157. Parabolic level $8.16. Alright, so woke crypto adopter. Here, let me like oversimplify what's really going on. Let me do Shiba, and then I'm gonna oversimplify what's really going on here. Here's how to look at like accumulation. Alright, retracement or automatic rally for Shiba is quad 017. Retracement is quad 046. Parabolic level is 00029. Alright, so here's what's really going on. Oversimplified explanation on accumulation, buying, selling, all that. Alright, so this is the DXY. The DXY measures the strength of the US dollar in comparison to the other fiat cryptocurrency. So even though it looks like, oh, it's up and it's down, it's really not up. It's like this smelly poop compared to the other smelly poops of the euro, the yen, the won, all that. So like it looks like this, you know, up, down, whatever. In reality, it's actually like, if you were to compare, like this is the euro, this is the won, you know, this is the US dollar. Like that's what it really looks like. They're all like going to zero. But that being said, what's really going on right here? Come on, you. What's really going on when you oversimplify it is when this thing gets strong, when the US dollar, the DXY, the strength of the US dollar, the purchasing power of the US dollar goes up, crypto, stocks, commodities go down. So what you're really doing is you're taking the strong dollar and you're purchasing the weak asset. Okay? And then when the DXY goes down, the asset goes up. And then you would convert it out. So you would take your asset and you would convert it. So that's what's going on. They go like this. They trade inversely. So the correct washing machine cycle that you want to be in is taking the strong purchasing power of the dollar and buying the weak assets. And when the assets become strong, you want to buy the weak dollar or whatever it is that you want to trade. You could do silver as well. It says, do you cash out or just convert to stable coins? Typically stable coins. The only time I'm cashing out is like in the bull market. Crypto Mike in the building. What's good, Ski? What up, bro? Changed his name. All right, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at yaboyski. Follow me on TikTok at yaboyski. YouTube at yaboyski. Twitter at Gayeski. If you want to learn how to trade, and this was just a little sample of what's over there on my Patreon. For the price of a cup of coffee, you can learn how to do everything that I'm doing. You get access to my private Discord with buy, call, sell alerts. You get access to my trading course, books that have helped me, all that and more over there. But I appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.
Damn hustling, 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 hustling.